Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. Finally, a car video. The first time I've really gotten to do anything car related since my transplant. Sorry that I'm talking funny. Back a week and a half ago, when I had my 2 seizures, which were 5 days apart, I bit my tongue really bad. Both times in the exact same spot, and I ended up taking a chunk of it off, like just a small chunk, but it hurts really bad, so that's why I'm kind of talking funny. Before I get into this video, I do want to say, sorry that the camera's a little bit shaky in the edit section. This is the first time since my transplant that I had the gimbal and the camera out, walking around filming cars, and I was out walking around with my like 15 to 20 pound gimbal for like 3 hours straight, and I just went through the whole time, and I did awesome. And before we get into the edit part of this video, I just want to say a massive thank you to my family at the little speed shop for everything they have done for me over the past year. There are some truly incredible people, and so is the car community. Like, so many people in my local car community have done so much to help and support myself and my family through this incredible crazy ride that I went through, which I'm going to try to edit the journey video sometime soon. It's just hard because I've got to balance it with school and appointments and things like that. But we're also going to have another video this week coming out on this. Yeah, I bought another car. It's my new drift project. And, you know guys, life's too short, so I'm going all out with it. And I'll kind of get into all that when I upload the video in the car. So, yeah. I just want to say a massive thank you to the little speed shop and all of my wonderful friends in the car community and everybody who has been out there supporting me. I deeply appreciate all of your support. You guys are the reason why I'm still here today, because you gave me the strength to keep pushing no matter what got in my way. I just never stopped, which you guys will hear more about in the journey video, obviously. Go check out the Little Speed Shop's website. I'm going to have it in the top of the description. They sell certain racing things and like shirts and hoodies and things like that, so go support them because they are, in my opinion, the best company out there, and I am so incredibly proud to be working for them, and I absolutely cannot wait to get back to work there. They redid their entire race shop, and it looks absolutely phenomenal. So, yeah. There will be more videos there once I get back to work there, and I can't wait. Jill and Kevin, thank you guys so much for everything. Just a massive thank you to all of you guys watching this video. And with that said, let's jump right into the Cars and Coffee edit, which it was one of the craziest Cars and Coffees that I've ever been to. It was awesome. I had so much fun. I got to meet so many of you guys and got to finally be a part of cars again for the first time since my transplant. But yeah.
Memphis, man.
I know it wasn't a super long edit, but that was all I filmed because I was just talking to so many people and hanging out with everyone when I was there. And yeah, so I'll see you guys when I upload next, which if it's not this week, it definitely will be next week. So I'll see you guys when I upload next. I love all you guys. You guys are so amazing and have really changed my life. And yeah, I hope you guys are all doing amazing. And I hope you guys all have a great rest of your week. I'll see you guys when I upload next. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye everyone.